Hindi satisfied si US President Donald Trump sa pinakabagong proposisyon ng Iran para sa kanilang usapang pangkapayapaan dahil sa patuloy na pag-iwas ng Iran na isama sa negosasyon ang pagsasantabi ng kanilang nuclear program. Bagaman inalok ng Iran ang pagbubukas ng maritime traffic sa Strait of Hormuz, naniniwala si Trump na mawawalan sila ng diplomatic pressure kung papayag sila rito nang hindi pa nare-resolba ang issue ng nuclear enrichment.
You cannot give Iran a nuclear weapon. It's all, I think, you can, because they would use it on a place called Israel very quickly, and they would use it in the Middle East, and they'd use it in Europe, and I guess we'd be next, and it's not going to happen. I think we're doing a great job over there, actually. We have the, they use the Hormuz Strait as a weapon for many, many years. They said they'll close it. So they closed it, then I closed it on them, which is sort of, they want a little business. They get no business, but it's going to work out.
Samantala, ipinahayag ng Iran na nanatiling handa ang sandatahang lakas ng Iran na depensahan ang kanilang bansa laban sa anumang banta ng pag-atake mula sa US o Israel sa gitna ng pag-iral ng ceasefire sa mga naturang bansa.